In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Vercel region so your functions run closer to your users and perform more efficiently. We'll go step by step on the Vercel dashboard, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to adjust your function region settings. First, make sure you're signed in to your Vercel account in your browser. Once you're logged in, head over to vercel.com. You can either go directly to your project from your dashboard or select it from the list of projects if you have multiple. The region setting we're going to change is configured per project, so be sure you're inside the specific project you want to update. Once you're in that project, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu with options like Overview, Deployments, Analytics, and so on. In that sidebar, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the project's settings area where you can control things like environment variables, domains, and the behavior of your functions. After the settings page loads, you'll notice several sections or tabs within it. What we want to work with are the function-related settings. Look for the section labeled Functions and click on it. This area controls how your serverless functions run on Vercel, including their runtime, memory, and most importantly for us, their region. Once you're on the function settings page, you'll see options that apply to all functions within this project, unless you've overridden them in code. One of the key options here is the region configuration. This determines where Vercel will execute your serverless functions geographically. Choosing the right region can help reduce latency for your users and may improve overall performance for region-specific workloads. Look for the drop-down or selection field labeled region or something similar that indicates where your functions are deployed. Click on that region selector. Vercel will display a list of available regions you can choose from, such as regions in North America, Europe, or Asia, depending on what Vercel supports at the time you're watching this. Take a moment to think about where most of your users are located. Ideally, you want to select a region that's geographically close to the majority of your audience. For example, if most of your traffic comes from Europe, pick a European region. If your users are primarily in the United States, a US region will usually give you better performance. This doesn't have to be perfect, but choosing a closer region can lower latency and make your app feel more responsive. Once you've decided, click on the region you want. After selecting it, make sure the change is saved. In many cases, Vercel will save automatically, but if you see a save or update button, go ahead and click it to confirm your new region settings. After that, your future function executions for this project will use the region you just selected. You're all set. That's all you need to do to change the Vercel region for your project's functions.